When it comes to healthy eating, the chickpea is nature's powerhouse, which is great news considering the annual consumption of chickpeas by Americans has more than doubled in just the last decade. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, come in many varieties and colors, but the most common is the large, tan-colored kabuli. Chickpeas are packed with fiber and protein, and both help you feel full and reduce cravings that can lead to unhealthy snacking. The high fiber content also improves digestion, reduces risk to certain cancers, and helps control your blood sugar. Chickpeas are also high in many minerals, including iron, phosphorus, copper, and zinc, which the body needs for essential processes, including growing and maintaining healthy bones, making new cells, speeding up wound healing, and protecting against the effects of aging. Chickpeas also contain polyunsaturated fats that reduce your risk for heart attacks and strokes. When it comes to growing these healthy little veggies, Washington leads the nation, growing nearly half of all chickpeas consumed in the US. So the next time you are making a salad or soup, be sure to include chickpeas for not only their delicious flavor, but the great health benefits as well.